Okay, in this video, since I'm not there with you, I'm going to review very quickly what all of these reactions would be. So on number 1, you need to be able to identify it. Anytime you have an element plus a compound, it's going to be that single replacement reaction. And for a single replacement, you need to identify if this is a metal or a nonmetal. It's a metal, which means it's going to replace the metal in the compound if the one by itself is higher on the activity series. So you would look here, calcium is higher than lead, so this reaction does occur, and calcium and lead will switch places. So now lead, Pb, is by itself. There is no 2 down here because it is not diatomic. And then calcium and NO3 will go together. Every time you write a compound, you need to take care of your charges. Calcium has a +2, nitrate has a -1. That means I need 2 of these. And if you look at it overall, and if you counted them all out to balance, I keep my polyatomics together, it's already balanced. So I would write already balanced. Okay, second one just has one compound. This would be a decomposition reaction. And you have to remember what this looks like when you are doing these type of problems. And I'm going to... Okay, sorry, I had to pause that really quick. So that's why you saw the flash of a different screen. All right, so with this one, it's a decomposition reaction. And when you have a metal and a polyatomic, what's going to happen is the metal becomes a metal oxide. And this has a +3, this has a -2, so the 2 and the 3. And then your what looks like the polyatomic SO4 has one less oxygen and becomes SO3. It's not technically a polyatomic at this time because it doesn't have a charge, but there you have it. I'm trying to figure out how I would balance it. 9, 10, 11, 12. There you go. And so that would be balanced. Okay. Number 3. You do have a C and an H, which is a hydrocarbon plus oxygen gas. Remember, anything that has oxygen gas as a reactant is a combustion. So your products are going to be CO2 plus H2O, unless it's a synthesis reaction. Like it has to have this C and the H here to make CO2 and H2O. And then when you balance this one, I'm going to balance it quickly. And it looks like that. Okay, number 4 is a little different because it gives you these compounds, or the words. If it's giving you the compounds, you need to write them out. Magnesium's a +2, oxygen's a -2. It's good like that. Reacts with water. This is a synthesis reaction, and it's actually making magnesium hydroxide. So it looks like that, and it's already balanced. So that's your quick review. What I don't want you to forget is your diatomics: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine. Or you can do the Brinkelhoff, right? So don't forget these. Nothing else gets a 2 except for your Brinkelhoff. And do the best you can in the time that's provided. And when you're done, make sure you stay on top of the next assignment that's being left for you. Good luck.